Hey guys, what's going on? It's your girl Scarlo and welcome back to my channel. So today I am sharing a very special unboxing with you guys. I have went out and purchased myself a brand new laptop. I want to really dedicate myself to making sure that I bring more videos to you guys and hopefully, much better quality. You guys know that I am still very new to this, but I want to make sure that I'm doing everything possible to make sure that I am putting enjoyable content, not only with what's in the video, but what I'm using to make the video more enjoyable for you guys. So I am very excited about this. I fell in love with this laptop as soon as I saw it. I have purchased an HP Spectre X360 convertible. That sounds like a car, so you guys know it's like really dope. I have put the specs on the corner for you guys to see. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up for you guys. We're going to see what is inside. I am very excited, you guys. I haven't had a laptop in so long, and I've been doing everything through my phone. And, Tyrone is going to be helping me with learning how to do a few things so I can make sure that I am bringing a lot more content to you guys. I told you guys before that I eventually want to get to a point where this is all I'm doing, because I feel like sometimes me having a full-time job, sometimes I get very overwhelmed with that, and I get stressed and overcome by everything going on with that, sometimes I don't put my all into what I have to do with my YouTube. So I feel bad about that, because I really do enjoy doing this. I enjoy interacting with you guys. So I'm hoping that this is going to help things become a lot easier for me to do as far as putting more content out there, so I can really be a lot more consistent with my videos and just putting more out there for my channel for you guys to enjoy. So can't wait to show you guys what is in the box. So this is very tightly packed. Here we go. All right, so here we go. Now, what is this? This is this a bag? Let me see what this is. It doesn't even, it has a stick on it and it doesn't say what it is. This must be, I don't know what this is. All right, well, we're going to leave this for last until I figure out what this is, because I'm not exactly sure what that's for. This is the first time that I'm opening this. So let's take these things out of here. Now look at that. This looks like look at the packaging that it comes in. Look at that. It says rose gold box, black and rose gold, HP Spectre. Let's go ahead and take the plastic off of it, you guys. Now, I got this from Best Buy. I forgot the guy's name, but he was so helpful and he was really knowledgeable about what I was looking at. This is definitely going to help me with having the apps on here that I need to make my videos a lot better, because I work from my phone. Everything I do is from my phone. So now I'm happy to have a laptop that I can work off of. So here we go. The inside of this box is cushioned. Yo, this is like some high-end boxing. Look at this. That's the inside. Look at that. This is nice. I don't know if they all come with this. Like, y'all, the last time that I bought a laptop was over a decade ago, and it burned out on me. Like, it was really bad. All right, so here is the laptop itself. I'm just gonna take everything out and see what's in here. All right, so here is the instruction manual. You got it right in here. Tells you what to do and how to set everything up. You know what? Let's open this up because I want to know what that... This is like a little leather case. Of course, this is a case for the laptop. That's what this is, y'all. I had a feeling it was what that was, but I didn't want to. So this leather case here, it's like a leather case for the laptop itself. So there is that. I'll get to this last. Let's see what else is in this box. So we've got the cable to go with it here. Let me open this up here. All right. So this is just the setup here. All right, so that's how to set everything up. Let's see what we've got. What else do we have in here? This is the warranty booklet that it comes with. Let's see here. This here is what I'm assuming is a charging dock. Let's take this out here. All right, so this is the little charging dock here. Hopefully you guys can see that. I have never seen this laptop before. It looks really brand new, but the guy that was selling it to me, he has one. And he was telling me that he absolutely loves it. He runs a tower with it along with the laptop itself, and he said it's really fast. It's super good. Let's see what we've got here. Okay, so it comes with a pre-installed battery. So this here must be the battery that goes with it to charge it. All right, so I'm looking at this manual here, and I'm going to tell you guys exactly what's in it. This is the other cord. This here, let's see what this is. And I believe this is a touch screen, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see here. I'm probably opening this up totally the wrong way. All right, so this. Oh, look at this. This little thing here is, wow. I didn't know it comes with this. So this is almost like a little stylus pen. I'm gonna close up, give you a close up of what this looks like, y'all. This is the little pen that it comes with. Look at that. And it's almost like a little, this is some high-tech stuff here. I've never seen a pen like this. This is nice, and it comes with a little charger and has a few extra little ends here. And it has what looks like a few buttons here. This is all brand new to me, you guys. This is really neat. It comes in this cute little box. See that? So there you guys have that. This is pretty nice. I didn't know that it comes with this. So that's that. This is the little cord that it comes with to charge. It's very tiny. So this, from what I understand, I'll tell you guys what this laptop has, because the guy at the store was explaining it to me. So let me get this out of the way. Let's go ahead and take this out. Dun, dun, dun. Behold, the HP Spectre. This is rose gold trimming. Everything you see is rose gold trimming, and it's black and rose gold. This is, when I tell you I fell in love with this, I fell in love. Okay. Has a nice little covering on it. I'm gonna take that off. Boom. Look at that. That's really nice, ain't it? So, this here, we're going to read off of this because we are both learning this together. So this has an internal microphone. It has two of them. It has a camera. It has a wireless antenna. It has fingerprint reader, a touchpad, and a Windows key. On the side, I believe it has two, let's see. It has two USB Type-C ports, which is for like docking stations, I believe. They have like little dock, and they're here on the sides. Now, I know you guys probably can't see that, but they're tiny. They're smaller than the regular USB. It has only one USB, two of these small USB-C ports here. And then it has, obviously, the power button, the connector, the HDMI port, a vent, audio, out and in microphone headphone, a combo jack. It has a micro SD memory card reader, a vent, a privacy switch for the camera, and it's pretty, it's not light and it's not heavy. It's really slim, which I love. The last laptop that I had was absolutely not slim. It was 2-3 times bulkier than this, and it was humongous. It probably looked like the size of like an old school laptop. This I really love though, because it's easy to carry, it's easy to travel with. I can go anywhere with it. I love the flat screen. It is also touch screen. And again, it's all on the inside. You can tell too, it has trimming. All the trimming in is rose gold. So on the sides there, you see it's all rose gold. I haven't turned it on yet. I am going to play around with it when I am done with this video so I can get up and running, so I can begin to bring you guys a lot more videos. Tyrone is going to definitely show me a few things as far as editing goes, so I can go ahead and get on top of that by myself as well. So there you have it, guys. My brand new laptop. I hope that this is going to open up so much more for me in terms of me bringing you a lot more videos, better content. Of course, you know, it all depends on the applications that I'm using, but I need to start with something like this. I need to get off my phone because, again, everything that I do is on my phone. And sometimes it gets a little stressful to have to use my phone, not only to do my video, but I also use it to edit. I use it when I'm gaming. I'm using it to post everything. And, you know, I'm using my phone a lot. In a sense, it's okay because I have everything right there, but it's small. It's my phone. So at least I'm much more comfortable doing this. I can be anywhere doing this. I could be comfortable in my bed. I can be on the couch. I can travel. But it'll just be much easier for me to do everything through my laptop when it comes to editing my videos and just keeping track of everything that I'm doing. It's going to be a lot better and a lot more comfortable for me to do it. So there you guys have it. My HP Spectre X360 convertible laptop. I got this from Best Buy. It was a great deal. You guys should definitely take a look at it if you guys are interested in getting a laptop. I will let you guys know how it's working for me. Give me a few weeks as far as giving you an update on how I feel about, you know, how it's running and everything like that. I'm going to start using it ASAP. So yeah, there you have it, guys. So leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know, you know, what laptops you guys have, what you like, what you don't like, the ups and downs. Let me know. You know, I'm back on my laptop game here. So yeah, there you guys have it. So I will see you guys next time. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel, hit like and share, and don't forget to hit that notification button so you guys can be notified whenever I pop up on your feed. Until next time, guys. Toodoo!